evening, kung saan man kayo lupalop ng mundo. Mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat dyan. Eh, nandito na naman po tayo ngayon para mag-greet ng birthday ng ating isang kaibigan sa YT World. Ma'am Shife, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best and God bless you always. Actually, matagal na tuminihiling si CG yung greetings ko. Sorry si CG kasi super busy talaga ako. Nabasa ko yung message mo ngayong morning. Galing kami church. Nandito kami kasi sa McDo. Nag-breakfast kami. Nabasa ko ng message mo. Gumawa na rin ako ng greetings. Ayun. Anyway, again, Ma'am Shife, happy birthday. Thank you sa support mo always sa amin, sa live namin, sa live ko lalo, at saka sa mga kaibigan natin sa YT. Thank you so much. And wala na akong masabi pa. Kasi nasa'yo na naman ang lahat. Stay pretty and sexy always, and more revenues to come. Again, happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shife. God bless po. Happy birthday to come.
Thank you.
So yun guys, so what's up guys? So samahan nyo guys at may babatiin lang tayo ngayon guys sa mga kaibigan nandito sa YT. Okay? So wag natin patatagalin guys kasi medyo late na rin dito. So let's go! Okay, so happy birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Shife. Ayan. You are my amazing friend dito sa YouTube. And then, wishing you a day filled with laughter, joy, and all of things that you make you smile always. You are of a kind, and I'm so grateful have you meet you in the YouTube as a friend, di ba? So again, ingat-ingat lagi, and then nandito na ako support sa iyo, and then healthy lagi, di ba? So yan, huwag pababayaan ang sarili, yan, kumain ng on time, matulog ng on time, marami, ayan, di ba? So anyway guys, then sa family mo, ayan, stay safe always, ayan, I hope na marami pang mga birthday na darating sa'yo. Okay? So again, happy birthday to you, Ma'am Shife. Okay, bye-bye!
Mega love shoutout everyone. This is Awesome Robbie. Andito po tayo ay babatiin natin ang ating birthday girl na si Ma'am Shife. Ang ating Ma'am Shife dito sa YT World. Ayan. Unang-una, magpapasalamat po ako kay G. Pancho na napasama po ako dito sa surprise greetings para kay Miss or para kay Ma'am Shife. Ayan. Unang-una, sis, are you surprised? Surprise ka ba? Ayan. Happy birthday, sis. Only wish for you is always good health, not only for you, but the whole family. Always keep safe, stay young, and sexy. Ayan. Thank you sa support dito sa YT, and thank you sa friendship na ano natin dito sa YT. Thank you so much, and ayan, enjoy your birthday. Sana malasing mo sila. Sana mabusog kayong lahat. At enjoy your life, enjoy your birthday, enjoy life, because life is so short, shorter than we think. Diba? Kaya, enjoy lang. Take care always. God bless you. See you soon. Happy birthday, sis. Bye-bye.
So, yun na nga, nag-birthday na naman ang ating mahal na mahal si Ma'am Shife. Ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo, and I wish you all the best, more subscribers to come. And of course, more legit friends to come. And wag ka magbabago. Stay humble as you are, and I'm so happy to meet you last year, and no, this year I mean, Ayun, and sobra ako nag-enjoy na kasama kayo, na makabanding kayo, and sana marami pa tayong time na magkasama ulit. I mean, pag umuwi ako ulit, magkikita pa rin tayo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hello everyone! May gusto lang akong batiin sa kanyang very special day. Walang iba kundi si Ma'am Shi Fe in YouTube channel. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi Fe. Keep going to your YouTube channel that very successful. Bigatin ka na sa YouTube. And also, thank you so much that for your support to my channel. And also, for the sponsor, thank you also. So, happy birthday talaga. More years to celebrate with your family. And also, keep going, keep smiling, especially in YouTube. So, and then, thank you so much, Ma'am Shi Fe, sa yung friendship. Thank you, and God bless you and your family. And of course, keep smiling lang tayo sa YT. This is PH to KL TV, guys. Also, thank you so much, and advance Merry Christmas.
Hello, Mom Shi Fe. This is Ken and Jovi from Pinoy US Adventure. And we would like to wish you a very
happy birthday to you. Anak, you will not get older but getting better. Ang galing-galing mo naman, anak. Thank you for including us with your daddy Ken to give you a birthday wishes. And as always, God bless, anak, ha? Please be good all the time. Huwag kang magbago. And all your wishes will come true, anak. Love you.
Magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong binate. Ayan, nakita nyo naman sa una sa ating sinulat. Ayan, happy birthday, partner, Ma'am Shi Fe. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa lahat. Ayan, magbe-birthday naman ang ating kaibigan sa YouTube world, ang ating kaibigan si Ma'am Shi Fe. Ayan, nangitim na tayo. Dito tayo sa dagat lagi. Nagahanap ng, nagaantay ng mabibiling isda. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Shi Fe. Gulat ka, no? Ayan, nandito si Log TV, nasa dagat, nangingitim na. Partner, kumusta na? Ayan, nagbabata ka na naman. Ayan. Sana magkasama tayo dito, no? Sarap mag-swimming kahit nangingitim na. Ayan, happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Shi Fe. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is na sana maging healthy ka palagi, malayo sa anumang kapahamakan. Ayan, vlog lang. Ayan, ingat ka sa pagbablog at sa pagpunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar kung saan ikaw gumagala. Ayan, kagaya ko. Ayaw, di ma. Ma'am Shi Fe, more power to your channel. Ayan, alam ko naman malapit ka na mag 3K, 300 pala, 300K. Ayan, ingat palagi. Ituloy mo lang yan at more revenues to come, more subscriber to come. Ayan. Good luck to your channel. Ayan. Happy birthday, partner, Ma'am Shi Fe. Ingat palagi. This is Log TV once again. Sing. Ma'am Shi Fe, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday. We love you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sisi. Bago ang lahat, happy birthday sa'yo at na-miss na kita. At alam mo, ang wish ko lang sa'yo talaga sana lagi kang healthy, lagi kang safe kung saan ka man naroroon, kung saan man ginagawa mo. And ano pa ba, lagi kang happy dapat kasi 'di ba, isa lang naman ang buhay natin. Kailangan you enjoy your life with your family and dun sa mga taong gusto mong makasama lagi. And I miss you. Happy birthday. And I hope you enjoy your birthday. And I hope to see you soon. Ayan, miss ko na yung jamming natin. Kasama ni Mars. Ayan, sabi niya, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday. Sana yung channel mo lumaki palalo at makakilala ka pa ng maraming tao. Happy birthday.
Well, hello there. And how are you doing today? Well, I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. And I knew you thought that I would forget all about it. I want to wish you many more to come. I want you to stay happy as you are. I hope everybody that is in your life is making your day a lot more special. Because once a year, we have that one day. It's a new year for us, and that's our birthday. So, happy birthday to you, and don't you forget, it's your special day. Happy birthday, Momshi!
Happy birthday, Momshi! Happy birthday, Momshi Fe!
Momshi Fe!
Happy birthday! Happy
Nagbe-birthday pala to.
Momshi Fe!
Ba't di ko alam?
Happy birthday, Momshi! More birthdays to come, and God bless you.
Birthday po pala, Momshi Fe. Tagal nating nagkikita sa mga live. Di mo sinasabi mag-birthday ka pa. Okay, by the way, happy birthday na lang
Happy
sa'yo.
birthday! We love you!
Hello, good day po, Lodi Cakes, Ma'am Sipe. Happy birthday po, wishing you more birthdays to come and God bless po. Good health and siyempre, more power po of your lifestyle.
Hey, this is Flip in a Blue Mule. I just want to wish a very merry, happy birthday to Mom Shifi, all the way from North Carolina, United States. God bless you. Have a happy birthday.
Hi, everybody! Andito po ako muli. Sikit to singkit. Ayan. Ngayon, babatiin ko po muna kayo ng Happy New Year. Happy New Year po dito sa amin ngayon. Actually, ginawa ko tong video na to ngayong araw na to. Kaya especially yung babatiin ko ngayon. Oh, Lalab! Ma'am Shife! Ayan. Lalab! Happy birthday! Ayan. Enjoy your day, Lalab, ha? Walang stress. At gawin mo lahat ng gusto mo. Lahat. Kasi araw mo yan. So, enjoy lang, Lalab. Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging healthy ka at marami ka pang birthday na maranasan. At sa problema, Lalab, iwas yan. Ano mo yan? Enjoy lang buhay natin hanggat buhay tayo. Okay, Lalab? Ayan. Happy birthday once again and Happy New Year to you all. I love you, Lalab. Mama. Chup chup. Bye.